Great pass. All right, here we go. Watch that wind. It's your ball. Go one more time. Oof. Yeah, be ready, be ready, be ready. Underneath. Oh, great pass. Good job. So like our passes, remember, just keep it off the wind. But it was a good pass. Switch it up. So now when we're passing, we're not passing so hard because we're watching the wind. So 2 over.
You guys are going in? We're going on. We just played. You guys go there now. That way.
Yes. So throw short.
It's like this now. The other way.
So on this side, when you guys are passing, almost pass straight up. Straight up, because the ball is going to move this way so hard. Yeah, exactly. Up, yep. Go, 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 go. Good job. Great pass. And over. Very nice. Nice movement. If I had to say anything, a little bit more legs, but very nice. It's always going to be legs, no matter what. Here comes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great pass. Fix. Oh, same problem, but very nice still. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Next round, no problem. Switch. Go on that side. Great tosses. That was good. Go, 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 go. Ah. You have to. Even on that one, still move forward. Get it off your hands. Put those. I can see your hands are curved like this. I want them down. Don't hit them. Hit the sweater. Yeah, yeah, great. Still hands. Let's play it back anyways.
Yeah, keep going.
Good job. Wow. Good try.
Oh wait, you shouldn't get it.
Oh. Your face. You're like, oh, I want one too. Let's go. Up. Good pass. Switch it up. Hands in this way. Always be moving forward. Switch it up. You guys are throwing now. You should have an opposite partner every time. And then just go every time you come out this way, switch sides. So if you would left side, go to right side, left side. So you get a chance at both. Remember, the pass is always forward. And when we're passing, we're always passing. Draw that imaginary triangle in your head. We're trying to aim here. Okay? Always forward. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Wow. It's okay.
We're used to the wind carrying.
I know. It's true. Got to throw hard. Throw hard. Boom. Great. Get underneath it. Good job. Up and down. Little one over. Yes. Well, that was good. That was the first one over the net. So we're progressing. Just up and down. Just up. Good reach. Little one to him. Let's play it anyway. Oh my God.
I'm ready to go.
No nets, ever. Never touch net. Don't even pretend to touch the net. Nothing. Let's keep it off the net. Also, you crushed my net. Now it's a smile. You made my net a smile. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, nice and close. Pass forward and up. Has to be parabolic or it's not going to work. Woo. Okay, it's a good reach. Good reach, yeah. You got to really get underneath it. Of course.
Yes.
No, it's not. In real big games, no.
I'm learning. You have to.
Pass to get points. Dump everything, get a point. But typically, today in this drill, we want to do 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, or 3, doesn't matter.
Yeah, okay,
It's
good.
always nice pass underneath. Good try. So remember, this side, really underneath that ball. Look underneath that ball and hit the bottom. Let's go. Next 2. Let's do, what time is it? That might be a thing too. You have a watch? Anybody have an iPhone watch or something? There you go.
7:24.
Oh my God. Let's do 15 more. Okay? Really track that ball. We'll get a few games in after. Good pass. Underneath. Ah, yeah. It's a tough one. It's really tough. If you want to be nice, put a spin on it. Throw like a bowling ball. It's nice, but we're not here to be nice. We're here to, if I'm playing you, it's going to be those floaty ones. So, up. Very, happened? Oh, where are your legs? Bend them. Bend those legs up. Let's go. There you go. Wow, thanks, coach. Good job. Awesome. And let's get it. Not over. It's 3 touches. Switch sides. 14 more. Yeah, my feet are frozen.
So bad.
It's awesome. No, it's good. It makes you tougher. Puts hair on your chest. That's what I like to think. Boy, I should have bought whiskey or something. Oh, imagine we had Fireball. It would be so much better right now. Yeah, underneath it. Move those legs. Get into a spot and attack that ball with your pass. We're just going up. Yep. Boom. Boom. And over. Oh. Cinematic. Here, more cinematic. 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 For YouTube. Cinematic, yes. It'll be on YouTube after. You guys can watch. Push. Oh, yeah, nice. I will tell you. I'll post the link.
Okay.
I only need, this year I don't think I put up a video yet. Only indoor. Whew. Yeah, just action zone stuff. And they're boring too. Make it official. All right, nice. Up, underneath the ball, underneath the ball, underneath the ball.
Oh, yeah, hold on. You said to her. And it went to
Just
me.
pointing this direction, the wind is going to carry a little.
It's true volleyball. You just got excuses for everything.
I'm just going to send the ball, call it.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Track.
Hi there.
It's a tough one. That wind is crazy. So really try to get underneath and bend your legs. You're up high here. Here.
Always the legs.
The bigger the wind, the bigger the legs gotta bend. Let's go. Step back passing. She missed the first week. Last one. Let's go up. Arms out. Oh, look. Away from the body. Pass. Don't touch checks. Next 2. We got 13 left and we get rid of this misery. Pants are going down. My calves are getting cold. 13 more. Let's go. Yep. Okay. You didn't hit your hands, which I'm happy for, but the last motion was this. You have to push forward. Have to get lower and put that ball up. Let's go. We got a ball. I'll rent you my gloves. $20 right now. No gloves. No gloves in volleyball. There's no way. Go, 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 go. Underneath. Go one more throw. Oh, shocking pain in my feet right now. Yes. Let's go throw the other way quick. We have run out of balls. All right, I'll get some. Here. Oh, that hurts so much. All right, I give up. My shoes are going back on. I can't do it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yep, yours, 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 yours. Be fast. Go one more, a little nicer. Put a bit of spin on it, like throw like a bowling ball. Bowling ball, a little easier. Yeah, okay, and, yes, and. Good try, switch, let's go. 12 more. Oh. Holding my breath doesn't make it warmer. Ugh. Let's go up, track. Yes. Very nice. Good fix. Oh, and over. Okay, now get it back. Get a little lower. Always look, try to find underneath the ball and get lower. Let's go. That was good. This is the hardest win, so any 3 touches over are fantastic. Remember your last move. Always put up. She'll get the ball in front of you if you kick it anywhere else. Let's do. Yes. Go. Up. Push. That was better. That was better. Keep the arms away from the body. No, somebody calling me. Good. Switch. 11 more. We almost got this. Let's finish strong. Oh my God.
Who are they? Like, who are those people?
Crazies. They're all mental patients.
Yeah.
That's Ashbridges Beach Volleyball. leagues, Ashbridger's beach volleyball leagues. They paid $600 to be there, so I would come out too.
Near that.
It's crazy. My leagues are so cheap, and nobody comes. And then they have millions of people there, wearing jackets and stuff. But look, they're playing games. You guys came out here and you're just training. You're not even playing games. I think that's worse. You're more psychotic than they are.
Yeah, it is. Because I think when you play, you have some more fun.
Yeah, more fun. Here is not fun.
But
Just
I
have me
don't know,
yelling at you.
But I can't play because I don't know how to play. and
Honestly,
I have
that-
to train.
That level, you guys would be good at. They're terrible. They've never taken a class. It's just this. The ball comes to you, they just dump it over.
Oh,
We don't
really?
train like that. You don't want to play
really?
that. It's just bad habit. Go in.
I thought they were like really good.
10 more. No. Anything like
They were like
6 on 6 is not going to be good volleyball. Oh. It's 6 on 6, yes. Pass. Well, hit your hands. Come on. How do you say forearm in Portuguese? What? Do you know? Okay, it doesn't. Bouillon. Who knows? Go the other way. I don't even know how to say hands. I don't know how to say much. Hands. But it worked. And? Yes! Play it back.
Oh, okay. But yeah, it's
Always have a reference where you're on the court. So if it's your side, always call it. You have a tendency to get that first ball. I understand. But trust your partner. There's just 2 of you. Let's go. Is that 2 or no? Throw another one quick before we freeze. Throw anywhere. Anywhere in the middle. Go. Up. Boom. I guess it was a fluke. Go. Switch. 9 more? 8 more. 8 more. Let's go. Keep moving. Full rallies. Let's go. We got this. Track that ball. Watch that wind. Not bad. But you have a tendency to do this. Arms out a little bit more. And then put that ball up. And then
I do what?
you're doing this.
Okay.
Get a little bit more and put that ball up. If you guys are within hand distance and you put that ball just up, even 2 feet above you, she can get that ball. All right? So stay close. Let's go. Almost done. Up. Pass. Track it. Don't run in before you know it's coming. Let's do one more on that side. Stretching is coming out. I get that. I should do that too. Not better. Track it. Excuse me, but high on the horse. Switch. 6 more. It's not going to be worse than this in the season ever. So we're at the maximum pain and suffering. So you guys are doing really good. The fact you're still smiling is insane. Oh, my teeth are cold. Let's go. Up. Get it. Underneath. Nice. Up and over. Fantastic play. I love that. Very nice. What happened? We bent our knees. Holy shit. Amazing. What a concept. And it worked out. Don't take the knee though, because I know you wanted to. Don't take the knee, but it's very nice. Low. Very nice angle. I love that. 2 for 2. Switch sides. 5 more. Next week, if the weather's nicer, we're going to do some attacking. So get those passes up there, okay? 5 more. Free ball. Up. Very nice. And. Oh, and. Come on. Don't give up. Push it over.
Yes.
Ah, I was there. Good try. Very nice. It wasn't on your hands. Good job. Hands are still curled up. Put them down. Eso. And away from the body, okay? Go. Underneath the ball. It's nice. You have an indoor pass now. So you're hitting it really tight here. It's like a very indoor. A little bit higher for beach. Done. Switch. 4 more. Getting better, though. Getting better. Let's go. Underneath. Good track. Remember, you have a partner. Pass to her. 2 doesn't count. 3 is where the money's at. So keep it off your hands too and pass up. Touch your hand. Up. What's this? Arms out, stretch. Flex the abs. Ugly back. Pass with your legs. Yeah, I'll do one more. Throw to, I don't know, who missed? Go. Let's go. Cinematic. Oh, not bad. So the height was great, but this. So you went that way. You step with the left, it goes to her. Vito, let's go. Switch, switch, switch. Three more or two more? Two more. Two more. We'll play a couple of games. Go track. Yes. Free ball. Let's go. I like that. As long as you both touch it. Yep. Underneath. Arms out. I'm not going to talk. You just watch the video after. You see what you did wrong.
I don't want to. One more. Okay. Yeah, one more. Do it. Let's go. Fine. Oh. Yeah, you called it. Yep. You gotta commit. Yep. You can try again. Okay, fine.
One more,
Are we in a rush?
Okay.
We can try one more time, right?
Wait. Okay. Okay. EA in the corner. Nice shots. Take that ball with you. Just get rid of that ball on that side. Thank you. Last one, best one. Let's go. Or you guys can keep going if you want. I don't care. My feet are already gonna have to be amputated at this point. So.
Free ball!
Yep. Nice fix. She's saving it. Get in there. Great track there, by the way. Let's go. Yep.
It's gonna be mine though.
Pass. Great pass.
Good up.
I don't know if there's a zoom on it. I was gonna zoom on her face after. Are we done?
Done?
Done. Let's get some games in if you guys want. Really focus on where you are on the court when you're playing your games, left side or right side, and just stand in closer or further. But it's good. The tracking on the wind is not that bad. Still doing a little bit of this, some of us. Really put those arms up and bend those legs. The more windy it is, even when I'm hand setting, I'm typically hand setting like so. When there's no wind, then you can be a little bit higher up, but we're always bending legs. But good job. Very difficult today wind-wise. You guys did really well. Let's play some games. You can play 3-on-3 or 2-on-2 or
We'll just do a best of 21.
6-on-1. I'm joking. I don't want, there's no way.
Do that.
No, I don't want that one. There's no way.
Pro versus
No. Definitely not today. So let's play. 3-on-3 is fine. 2-on-2 doesn't matter. Or king of the court is good too. Whatever you guys want. I'm turning this off.